Just a second and it all will be... Huh?
I don't need this anymore. Off with it.
Hey, what are you doing? Ew, it's so messy now.
Just you wait.
Hey!
Oh my gosh!
This is all your fault. This is gross.
Officer, look what they've done.
No, it's him!
It's her doing. It wasn't me.
See?
All right, bud, get out of here.
Bye-bye, losers.
It's him!
No, her.
It doesn't matter. You both are going to jail.
But I'm a...
Now go.
This is gonna be awesome. So beautiful.
Cool. What is it? May I have one, please?
Nah, get off.
And I have an interesting one, too. Look.
Hey, give me that.
No, it's mine.
It's mine. Give it, now.
What the phooey?
Uh-oh.
That wasn't me.
Oh, you two, you're going with me.
But I didn't...
Quiet. Everything you say will be used against you.
Welcome to your new home. Enjoy.
This is unthinkable.
Wow, look. It's so cool here.
Gee. Do I really have to share this cell with this idiot?
Sit. It's really soft and comfortable. Try it.
No thanks. I've got a better idea. I need a new design of this hole.
Wow, money. So much money. Huh? Am I dreaming or is it real?
Oh, it is real, believe me. And now stay away from my part of it. Done.
Curious.
Hey, I've said stay away.
But I just...
No.
I mean, I only...
I said no! Don't mess with me, boy.
Hey, you there! Keep it down!
I'm trying. Looks yummy, and I've just got hungry.
Wow, I'm rich! Take it!
Finally. It smells so delicious. Oh no, how could it—
Don't worry, I'll give you another one. For extra pay, of course.
Oh, not again.
Wood!
Another one?
Yeah, give me it. Oh no, why is this happening to me?
I guess today is my lucky day. Free food with free home delivery. But why isn't it? Come here, come on! Oh, so you want to play? I have one trick specially for you.
Ooh, such a heat. Hey, what is it you're doing there?
Don't worry, it's for the food. Look! Now I can finally enjoy it. Marvelous. Although, may I?
My precious... Huh? Where is it?
Yeah, just the way I like it. Now it is perfect. Bon appetit, my love.
I'm still hungry. And he's sitting there enjoying his food.
Oh my, silly girl. Here, check this out. And stop crying.
Wow, interesting.
Just open it up and put a sausage inside.
And then do this?
Yeah, enjoy it.
Thanks, but it isn't a hot dog without a ketchup. Perfect. Only, yuck, this prison food is disgusting.
Ouch! Oh, wow, another bite. Thanks.
This is unbearable. I need a real food, real tasty food. Give it to me or I will—
All right, here you are.
Thanks.
Shoo, this girl is vicious.
Ha! Look what I've got.
I want some too.
You're too poor for that. Just sit there and watch.
Yummy. Oops.
Juicy, juicy hamburger?
Juicy.
Don't be so soft, just wait.
Huh? What?
See, it's a fake.
That was so funny.
No talking.
Ha! At least I have it and you don't.
Easy. I can make one myself too. I just need to cut off all the unnecessary parts.
It's so soft and fluffy.
The form is done. Now I need the ingredients. Oh, I've got one. This will be the greens.
Look what I've also got. They are amazing.
Oh, right, the red one.
Hey, what are you doing?
Thanks a lot. Now I can add the most important part. Cool. Now all is done. It looks like a real one. Now I have a hamburger too.
What?
What? Is it her again?
Here, this one will help.
Just get off.
Okay, as you wish.
Here, take it.
Nah, it's my turn. You're still there, and I will have fun here. Haha.
Oh, not again. She will be playing there and I have to sit here all alone. Oh, with you, my friend?
Sure, let's play.
Wow, so you can play? And how about this?
I'm impressed. You're really good.
Oh, you think so? Aw, is she watching?
It was fun. Thanks for the company.
Oh, my pleasure.
That was so great.
Oh, they hugged. Let's hug. Come here, bud.
Sure, let's hug.
Thanks, man. Huh? Oh no, he wasn't real.
I'm winning. I'm winning.
Sure, dear. Ew.
Ow!
What is it this time? Oh, I've got an idea. Let me put this inside. And blow it up. Cool. Now it needs some cover-up. A blue one, my favorite. And the final thing, this little cutie needs a face. A happy, funny one. Well done. Now, let's take a look. This is just like a nice anti-stress toy.
Yeah, take it, ha 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 ha!
So you want to do it bad way, huh? One way or another, I'm gonna get you.
Oh no, she won.
Prepare to face the inevitable.
Fatality.
You didn't have any chance, dude. Yeah, the victory is mine.
Oh, shut it! Back to your cell! This is horrible.
That's not fair. I won.
Look what I've got. Pretty cutie, soupy yuppie.
When will you finally get lost?
Hey, it was cute.
Boring. Boring. Oh, and this one looks cute. I want this tattoo. I want to look cool, too. Hello? I'd like to make a tattoo.
Sure, just tell me the address. Jail? I'm coming. Hi, beautiful. So shall we?
Yeah, I wanted it here.
No problem, just
Huh? Where am I?
almost done.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, don't worry, it's just painting.
Phew, thanks. Here's the money.
Wow, thank you.
Hey, and me? I want a tattoo too. Here.
Money first, you have some?
Oh, that? I have some here. $2?
Nah, forget it. So see you, pretty one. Have fun.
Thanks, man.
But, please don't go.
Nice job, man. Yeah, just kidding. See ya. See you soon.
No, he went away, and I wanted a tattoo. Huh? Oh my, I guess I have one now. Yes! See, I have it! I have it too!
Mine is better.
Give me a break, it's pathetic.
Fantastic. I need another one.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh. Ew, they all are on the floor now. Oh no! Why is it happening to me?
Hey, what again? Oh, silly girl. Here, take this and stop yelling.
What is it? Wow, this one is really genius. Oopsie. Oh, not again. But hey, now it's all safe and protected. Did you see it? It's so cool. And it's mine. Mine, mine, mine.
Stop it! Go away! She's unbearable. Ouch! What was that? Huh? An egg? Let me see what's inside. Curious. I could use it for candy protection, too. Let's check it up. Yeah, it's all safe and sound now. It only lacks some design. Let's make a unique one.
Huh? What is he doing there?
The broad smile is almost ready. Now the eyes.
Hey, his toy is prettier.
Well done. And now it needs some hands. Right here. Great. Look, isn't it awesome? Oh, right. I forgot about the hair. Here you are, little fella. Hi there.
Hey.
Mine is still better.
This one is cute, and I've made it myself.
Officer? Hey, officer!
Wait, what?
Is this toy pretty?
Well, it's good. Yeah.
What? No way!
And mine. Mine. Is it good? Give me 5, huh?
Yeah, this one is awesome. Good job, man.
Oh, really?
Yes!
Oh, don't cry. I can give it to you.
Really? Ha! Pathetic.
So what do we have here? Interesting. Yeah, this one will go. Now crash it up! Cool. I always wanted to try it. So colorful. This is really awesome. Oh no, Sheriff!
What on earth?
Oh my gosh.
So it was you? Get over here.
No, please, I can explain.
Hello, hello.
Well, well, well.
Guys, come on, I just wanted...
Now you're one of us.
Enjoy.